Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. For getting an update of used cars, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Today we are standing near Chevrolet Beat and it's a 2011 model. This is a short review of this car and it's for sale in Rajajinagar, Bangalore. Three owners have been done with this car. Now the purchaser will be the fourth owner. It's a LT model. Comes with the 4 power window, power steering, AC, and the rear wiper. And this all things comes with only the top end model. It's a diesel engine. This car is in average condition. And for more details of this car or for reaching us, please check the description box below. I have been mentioned all the car details with the price and my contact number in the description box, which you can easily reach us. This is an average car because there is some dents over here at the front bumper, which I will be showing you. And this car comes with the tire size of 175 bar 65 R14, which is all 5 tires are in 14 inches. And the life of all 5 alloy wheels tires are been up to 40 to 50%. At the front bumper we'll get two fog lamps, which looks very stylish for this car, and the towing hook. And there's some dents over here at the door and at the rear door also. This car comes with the boot space of 170 liters, and this is a Pioneer music system which have been fitted from the aftermarket. And this is a extra stepney with the jack rod on the and the toolkit if any tire get punctured. At the rear door pad, we'll get a power window switch with lock and unlock lever, and we don't get any storage space over here. And at the rear seat, we get two headrest for the rear, and the three persons can easily sit in this car. At the co-driver side, you will get a dual tone color with lock and unlock lever and the power window switch with some storage space and the grab handle. Moving on to the engine side, this car comes with 1 liter diesel turbocharged inline 3-cylinder diesel engine powered by Smart Tech, which is done with a TCDI engine, which produces about 56.3 bhp at 4000 rpm and 142 Nm of torque at 1750 rpm. The fuel tank capacity of this car is 35 liters, and it's a front wheel drive with a 5-speed manual transmission. The ground clearance of this car is 175 mm. At the driver's side door, we'll get again a dual tone color with 4 power window switches, which can be manually adjustable by the driver, and some storage space. And at the rooftop, we'll get a sunshade. For the co-driver we'll get a mirror at the sunshade, and for the driver we don't get any mirror, and it's a reading light with 4 AC vents. This is a AC controllers which I'll be showing you. It's a top end model, so it shows like this with a LED screen display. It's not a touch screen. You should manually adjust it by the controllers, and there's a cup holder over there with a brake lever, and the 5-speed manual gear lever with a two cup holder at the front with 12-volt charging socket. This car has covered around 1,02,000 kilometers till now, and there is a wiper controllers over there, and this is a lever for the controlling the headlights. If you like the video, then please do hit the like button, share the video with your friends, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.